So this is a cone beam of an impacted canine that I imported into 3D slicer and roughly removed the bone to show you the angulation and the shape of the teeth. So you can see the tooth is there and the premolar and the lateral incisor. And then what I've done, last year we imported the same case in Relu, and you can see that at the time Relu was not optimized for impacted canines, so we had a little bit of a problem to get the correct tooth shape and anatomy. And on top of it, you can see we're at the time also trying to import the iOS, which is right here, into the system, which worked pretty well. But again, the impacted canine was not well recognized. Well, today I took the same file without the iOS. I didn't bother with the iOS. I just wanted to see, and you can see now that the rendering of the STL from Relu is almost the same as the 3D slicer, which is a very accurate rendering of the cone beam CT. So we made tremendous progress, and I want to thank Relu for their effort. Thank you.